Kinfolk, welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV, Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we're gonna go on a totally different adventure. So it's something I've never done before, and but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. A while back, long while back, my wife got me this little travel mate fishing pole, right? Never even opened it because I was like, you know what, it'd be dope as shit if I could go on the bike, carry a little fishing pole, man. If I'm traveling or something and I see something that I want to stop at and do a little fishing real quick, I can do it. So she bought me that, and like I said, it's been a long time. I haven't even used it. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take the road glide and go fishing. Let's go. All right, Kinfolk. Like I said, man, I hadn't opened this yet, and this is what we got here. It's just a little compartment, right? Hold some gear in there. It's an actual folding or telescopic fishing rod, and the reel. Sorry about the mower noise. The neighbor's doing his yard, but the reel, it's gonna be real lightweight, you know. I don't know what pound test. It's either gonna be 4, 6, or 8. So let's see if it says it on here. Doesn't say it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this rigged up real quick, and then I'll show you what I plan on throwing. Just something simple. I've got my water tackle box here. Up a couple. It's probably just gonna be a couple worms, man. It's already hot as hell, so I want to get out there and get it done quick. And then I'll rig this up, put it all together, show you what it looks like put together, and then see how we tear it back down with the string still on there, if we can even do that. Be right back. All right, Kinfolk. So this says 6 through 12 pound line. The action is medium. It's a 6'6" rod. So it gets pretty flimsy out there. I don't see how. This is a medium action. To me, this would be like a light, maybe even extra light. I don't know. But I don't know. We'll see. Alright, Kinfolk, so this is what we came up with, man. I went ahead and just put just a worm hook on there. Got a watermelon seed, and then another one in here, green pumpkin. That's what we're gonna run with. Got my little nail cutters for the line, just in case I have to rig. Got a couple more hooks. Got a jig head in there also. I don't know if I'm gonna use that or not. And then a couple slide baits or whatever. I mean sinkers, just in case I go to a Texas style rig. Right now I'm just gonna do a wacky rig. So I just hook the worm right in the center, toss it out there, and see what happens. And then underneath, just got a little rag, couple more worms. I just didn't want to take them out of the bag, and my pliers. It sits on there. So now I gotta see how this is gonna fold all down with the string, string on there. All right, that didn't work out as bad as I thought it was. So as I brought them in, I just reeled it in a little bit and kept bringing it all the way in, and I hooked my hook on the reel attachment where you hook the reel to. I had to switch my handle around too because I reel right-handed, and the reel was on the left side. So, oh shit! This goes down one more. Okay. So we'll go ahead and roll that up some. That back in there, and back like that. Shazam! Yeah, it's not gonna fit. So I'm just gonna stick it in the trunk like this, and then just carry this for my baits and stuff. All right, we'll see you on the bike. Kinfolk, we are on the bike. And we are headed to our first spot, man, to go see if we can do some fishing. Shit, I'm excited. This is the first time I've even thought of trying to do this because
Like I said, man, I didn't know how I'd get a fishing pole on the bike, but with this one, that collapsible one, it's easy. So we're gonna go try it out real quick. And I don't even know if this is the first spot I can get to or not. So we'll see what happens. And I don't even know if it's a like a retention pond or something. So we may not even be able to get to it. And we may not be able to, I mean, if it is a retention pond, there might not be any fish in it at all. But we'll see. We will see. Leave down in the comments, man, if any of y'all done this before, as far as being able to take a pole on the motorcycle to a fishing spot and do some fishing. I'd love to see how y'all did it. So if you have, go follow my Instagram, post a pic, and send me a picture. Tag me in it so I can see how you did it. This is it right here. Let's we're probably gonna park over here. I don't even know how deep that is or what's out in there. All right, well, let's do this. Let me throw y'all on the helmet cam, I mean on my head mount, and actually let's just go look at it. Let me see. See if we can even see anything out here. Well, fuck it, let's try it. All right, kinfolk, like I said, man, I don't know if there's shit out here or not, but we're gonna try it. I had to rerun my line because I somehow ended up missing one of the eyes, but now we're good. Let's go see. Should try over there in that shade. What in the fuck? Is that a fucking otter? A beaver or what? Or a nutria-rat. Might be a fucking nutria-rat. Oh, it is! Holy shit, they're fucking rats! No fucking way. What in the fuck, kinfolk? Okay, I have no idea what those are. I don't think they're beavers. No, they ain't got the beaver tail. I didn't think we had nutria-rats here. I don't know if those are nutria-rats or not, but fucking crazy. All right, let's walk over here to the shade. There's shit out here, but I don't know if there's fish. Bunch of weird shit. There's a turtle right there. What is that? Oh, kinfolk, did I just catch a fish? Did I just catch a fucking fish? Or is it a fucking turtle? Come on. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, get out of there. Look at that, baby. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, kinfolk. And that's not a little bitty one. It's not little. Holy shit. Let me get this bad boy out of here. Look at that. What the fuck? That is freaking amazing. Okay, let me get a picture. I can't believe first fish, kinfolk, and it didn't take long at all. Yeah, baby. All right. See ya. That's freaking cool. Let's go again. Let's go again. So it wasn't really aggressive. It did take off towards the weeds though over there. But it was just a slight, like he didn't attack it. Actually, I didn't even know I was fucking hooked up until he started running a little bit. Man, look at that shit. That's freaking cool shit. Let's go again, kinfolk. There's some bassies in here. That gets me stoked, man. So stoked. Dude, I haven't even been here, what, 10-15 minutes at the most. I had the line held on to. I was telling you, this line is thin. Yeah, there's a big one. There's another one, kinfolk. There's another one. Oh God. Get out of the grass. Get out of the grass. Holy shit. Please don't let my rod break. Get out of there. Where are you at? No, get out of there. Come on. There you go. There you go. Get over here. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. There's another beauty. This one's fucking bigger, boys. Look at this monster. Holy shit. Boys, this is not a bad little spot. Oh. Fucking loving it. Alright, let's see. Picture. Check it, motherfuckers. Second one of the day, baby. In this fucking pond back here behind the grocery store. Alright, get out of here. Whew, that was awesome, kinfolk. That was awesome. Alright. Let's see if we can get another one real quick. Alright, kinfolk, we are back on the bike. Some reason my GoPro, I guess, got too hot sitting out there and it wouldn't turn back on. But no worries, I took the battery out and now it's working. But now we're headed to the second spot. Man, I caught 2 fish there. As y'all saw, I ended up losing my worm. I guess my line was wrapped around my pole. But ended up going, I didn't have any more of those worms that I caught those 2 fish, which was pumpkin seed or something was the color. So I went back to the house and got some more of those. And so now I'm going to the second spot, and it's an actual like park reserve type deal. So I'm pretty sure I can fish there, but we're gonna check it out and see how it turns out, man. That was really dope, kinfolk. Let me tell you, I did not expect to catch anything back there at that spot. And so I will be going back there again for sure. And like I said, man, I'm making this video just in case anybody's wondering how they can go fishing on their motorcycle, man. If you buy one of these little collapsible poles, you know, you can do a little fishing and have a little fun while you're out on the motorcycle. That was the whole reason behind this. So, you know, if you catch some monsters, that'd be amazing, but with this pole, I don't think that's gonna happen. Now, don't get me wrong, those couple fish that I caught out of there, man, weren't bad. I mean, they weren't little dinks or anything, so that was pretty dope. But I would definitely be going back there. So I don't have the other camera hooked up, but let's head on to the second spot. Oh, I do got the Android Auto playing though on the radio. Pretty dope. So it's working good. All right, kinfolk, see you in a little bit. Alright, Kim folk, we are here. Let's see. See if say anything about
Continue
fishing.
for half a mile.
Catch and release largemouth bass. Alright, so you know what? Let's try right here. Well, kinfolk, I didn't have any luck here, but still pretty cool little spot. They even got kayaks. I guess you can drop kayaks off, because I saw a guy over there on a kayak. It's pretty dope. So a little fishing spot there. But yeah, man, hopefully I don't get caught in the rain. Looks like it's raining over there.
Then turn right.
But so yeah, I guess that's gonna do it for this little episode, kinfolk. So if you want to get out and do some fishing on your motorcycle,
Take the next
that's how you do it right there. And
half a mile.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank y'all so much for hitting that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not yet. Don't cost you a thing, and hit the notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. So we're gonna head on back to the house, kinfolk. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.